Okay, this is the Fitzgerald Conservationist Lake. I almost said Presbyterian. Looks like the end of the line ahead.
Water is low. Wicked low. I don't know which way I want to go. That way. That way. Oh, let's go left. Alright, let's have a contest. See who trips and falls first. Man down, man down.
Today I've got a caramel drink instead of a colada. So now I've joined the human race, I guess you could say. Ooh, walk the plank. Can't watch me fall right through the fucking... Yeah, for someone who's really sober, I'm not really doing too much of a good job trying to balance myself here.
There's a beaver dam around here somewhere.
Beavers? Beavers? Ooh, another plank.
Oh, crap. Fly buzzing around my head and starting to piss me off. I swear I just heard something walking through the leaves. I swear I keep hearing something walking through the leaves. I think I want to go left again. Oh, else fails. Go left.
Big crack. Big gaping crack.
Wow, this trail is getting harder. What the hell?
Is this the parking lot coming up?
Parking lot?
There's something coming up. Was that the lake?
That's the lake.
Oh. My eyes are so bad I thought that was a tent over there. There's no poison sumac or ivy around here, is there?
I haven't seen any yet. Trust me, if I saw it, I would have avoided it.
I don't want to get the bumps on my sack again. Found a hole. Watch like 100 bees come out of it or something.
You see it flying right there?
Yeah. I might be able to zoom in more later on it.
Ah, it's going the wrong way. Damn it. Turn around, come back this way.
Ah, oh, fly went right in my eye. Damn it. They knocked with a big old crack in it.
Big old crack.
Yep. Bye-bye, crack. Wow. This ain't too stable. Ooh. Were you flipping off the tree?
Ah! God damn it.
Almost had her.
Ah, there's another frog. Oh, he's right there. Boing, boing, boing. Damn it. I saw a frog and a snake. Hello. Oh, shut up. Laughing at me.
But all we got to see was a snake and a couple of frogs and a bird and possibly a squirrel. And a big gaping crack. Are we on the right track?
Fishing place.
That a beehive. See another frog or something?
Boing. See, it says wildlife blind that way. I didn't see no wildlife blind anywhere. Liar. What else to see? The wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
You gotta be drinking a latte when you do that.
I'm gonna do it, man. I'm gonna jump. You can't stop me. I'm gonna do it.
Yay, we're almost in the truck. And this will conclude the video with all the wonderful wildlife that we saw today. Please make your deposit in the box. Thank you. Come again.
Flop a doodle yellow bug, toodle all a ding, come a rock top bottom it tremble.